Okay, well, here are 2 dread challenges. Quest for the mail and the big sleep. Well, these are just 2 challenges that I'm doing because I need some ping.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise. It's time to kill or be killed in the Annihilator round.
Well, anyway, this is just like
wave after wave of lethal enemies.
on Ratchet and Clank 3 when I was well, you know, I needed some bolts for that armor. This is just the same. This is really that much, but probably you want to see it because you don't want to miss anything of my awesome adventure through the wonderful world of Ratchet Gladiator. I still think that these little duck thingies are Teenage Mutant Ninja Duckies. I feel...
Don't forget to order that Red Zone home game.
I still feel that these are Teenage Mutant Ninja Duckies. And I'm out of ammo. Now that's Teenage Mutant.
Oh man, these guys are hot.
Give it up, Juanita. Yeah, he has something with that hua. The hua. He has something with saying hua. Seriously. He says it with such excitement. Like he really thinks that Juanita loves him. Okay, mini eviscerators. I just hate those things. Because how can it be that it can send out an aquatic tidal wave thingy? I just can't get it. And can't touch this. Oh, can't touch this. Can't touch this. Sorry. Okay. Right, now the last one, the big sleep. And this is not hard. This is just you'll lose some lives.
Time to get silent but deadly.
Yes, silent but deadly.
Open a window!
Oh my goodness.
I'm talking about the gas round, where Ratchet must defeat all the enemies before the toxic fumes snuff him out.
Oh my goodness, I don't want to die yet, and not by toxic goo. Don't let me die. Please don't let me
I love
die.
that smell.
Seriously, oh my goodness, I just hate those balls. Seriously. They really have to put them in this game. Like those balls are really making a difference. Because those things are too weak to do really anything.
Not bad.
I mean, seriously.
I would have done it better.
They're good as ammo for the suck cannon, but since we don't have it here, they're just some weak ball thingies. Serious. I seriously don't get why they have those things in here. But what I do get is that I now have the dual Vipers level 2. Well, I'm so good.
Oh, he's looking a little unsteady. Some gladiators just can't handle their gas.
Oh my goodness. Cool. I toxic green or Merc. Because I don't know who is. Anyway. Oh, come on! How long? Tell me! How long am I going to... oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, Teenage Mutant Ninja Duckies. But still, those duckies and those balls are really great for making jokes. Because you can laugh about them. And it won't harm them. And there we have it. That's the challenge. And it's really silent. Silent but deadly. Just like you said. Okay. Anyway. Well, that were those challenges. I completed everything till now. But see you on Planet Cerratos.